Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I call a budget-friendly redecorating of my craft room slash office. I wanted to redecorate it because I was lacking inspiration, so I decided if I redecorate the room, that'll give me the boost I need to get serious about online craft business, and because I hadn't been wanting to craft, so I decided to redecorate the room and hoping that will uplift my spirits, if you will. So what I'm using is this self-adhesive wallpaper by the Property Brothers, you know, from HGTV, where they're the Smith Brothers now. But I have used their products in the past. I have one of their light fixtures and I really like the quality of their products, and so I picked up this wallpaper from Lowe's for $48. I don't know how many inches, for $48 for, let me see, you get 20 inches by 18 feet. So I ended up having to buy 3 rolls of that, so that came to $150. So yes, I am splurging on this redesign, so that's the purpose of me budgeting and getting out of debt, so I get some of the nicer things that I want in life. That's what the misconception is about budgeters, is that we do not like nice things. We do like nice things, we just like to plan to buy them. So I probably spent about $500 on this redo, $150 on the wallpaper. I have 2 L-shaped desks. Each one of those was $105. I picked those up from Amazon. Check my link in the description box if you're interested. Go to my Amazon storefront. I have them already linked there for you. And I bought some accessories, and so it came up to about $500. And so I can get this out of my business expense envelope, even though it doesn't have anything in it. But when I put something in it, I would turn around and pay the credit card bill off with that. I can use the home, anything I have in the home envelope, or I can use whatever I have in Miss V's envelope. Either way, it will be paid off. So yeah, budgeters, we like nice things too. So we just plan on how to pay for them. So yeah, so I think this is gonna be the boost I need. I'm loving the room already. And so I'll have my craft room slash business on the right side of the room, and then I'll have my office on the left side. So previously everything was all together and I was not feeling it. So yeah, so as you can see, I got about 3 to 4 inches left. So I'm kind of OCD, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wallpaper down to about 4 inches and fill in that last little space. So yeah, I wanted to come by and give you some inspiration. Maybe you need to redecorate or do something different in the room you're in if you don't have any inspiration. So you know, I'm always coming through with positive vibes, so I just wanted to share that with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you listen to the music while I finish up, and then I'll be giving you a tour. I want to go ahead and thank everyone who is watching and supporting my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, so this is Miss V. As always, you know, I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. much better. You deserve much better, and I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you want as hell. I got ahead of myself, finishing races will never begin enough. I don't want nobody else.
I did go back and clean up that overhang that's up there on the ceiling. So yeah, to make that nice and even. I just got my ruler and my little scalpel and cut the excess. Next, I'll be adding this shag rug that I picked up from Walmart for $19.97. It's 36 inches by 56 inches. And I just wanted to add it. I just wanted to soften it up. Soften the room up just a little bit. So I added this rug. And I probably would do some of my cash stuffings right here on the floor on this beautiful rug. So stay tuned. Okay, stated earlier, this left side is my office area. And I put this chair right here in the middle for when I want to film and just be face to face with the camera. And that will be my background. And over here on the right side is my craft / business area. Yes, I really like these desks. Check my Amazon storefront. If you're interested in anything similar to these desks, I have them linked already there. And so, yeah, I have my gallery wall of pictures. And I aim to inspire. And you already know God is awesome. And gold is the new black. So, yeah. So, let me give you a good view of the gallery wall. Yeah. So, I got my glue gun. Got my spinner to make my ink pens. Got my laminating machine. But some of my other crafts are on the other side. My Cricut machine and some of my other things. So these are I also decorate badge holders. I have those linked in my description box in my Etsy store. Yes. So if you're interested in a stocking stuffer or a last minute gift for Christmas, check out my Etsy store. Or if you're just interested for any of these items year round, check out my website and my Etsy store that's in the description box. I want to go ahead and thank everyone for tuning in, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.